In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect to Wi-Fi on your Panasonic television. So if you want to go and connect your TV to your Wi-Fi network, then we first need to head over to the settings menu on your television. Now you can do this a couple of ways. You can either just grab your television remote and you can go and press the menu button, or sometimes you may just have a settings icon on your TV remote and this should go and pull up the TV settings. Now if you can't find the settings menu, then you can also go over to the home screen on your television, and from the Panasonic home screen you should see this settings icon and we can go and click on it from here. Now, once you're in the settings window, we just need to come and find the network settings. Now, you may actually have a network tab in your television settings, or the network option might be within one of the other settings. So once again, this really depends on your model of television. So for example, on my Panasonic TV, then the network settings are found within this system tab. And I can just scroll down and click on network configuration. But on your television, you might actually have a network tab all by itself. So once you're on the network settings, you can go and select either a wired or wireless connection. So if you have an Ethernet cable running from your television to your router, then you can select wired, otherwise go and select wireless. Then just make sure your wireless feature is turned on at the top here. Click on wireless access point. Then just go and select your Wi-Fi network from the list of routers. Click on password from the list. And from here, you can enter your Wi-Fi password, and that's going to go ahead and connect you to the internet. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.